Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee using a drip bag. First, prepare your coffee drip bag, freshly ground coffee, and hot water. The coffee should be ground to a medium-fine consistency, similar to table salt, for the best flavor. Heat your water to the ideal temperature range, which is between 90 and 96 degrees Celsius or 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures proper extraction without burning the coffee. Now, let's get the drip bag ready. Carefully tear open the top of the drip bag along the dotted line to reveal the filter inside. Then, extend the paper hangers on each side and securely place them over the rim of your favorite coffee cup. Next, add about 10 to 12 grams of your freshly ground coffee into the filter bag. This amount is perfect for a single serving. The next crucial step is the bloom. Gently pour about 30 milliliters of your hot water over the coffee grounds, just enough to saturate them. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. You'll notice the coffee grounds expanding and bubbling slightly. This is the bloom, where carbon dioxide escapes. This process is vital as it prepares the coffee for optimal extraction, unlocking its full flavor and aromatic potential. Finally, for the main brew. Continue pouring the remaining 150 to 180 milliliters of hot water slowly and steadily over the grounds. Use a circular motion to ensure even saturation. This entire pouring process should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the water has dripped through, carefully remove the drip bag from your cup. Your delicious, freshly brewed coffee is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.